Well, I'm going to start talking and pretend like it is working. My name is Lexi, and I run my blog, Lexi Goes Thrifting. And I'm here because Sammy invited me to do a Thriftmas Christmas themed thrift live haul for you guys. Oh, I see there's somebody here, so I think it's working, so that's great. Hello, 2 people. Woo! Okay, we're starting. All right. So, I themed my haul around Christmas. I ran with it because I do actually thrift some of my Christmas gifts. I think it's something that more and more people are starting to do, but still maybe not everyone is fully comfortable with, so I'm happy to show you the cool things that I've found, and hopefully maybe you'll want to, I don't know, try it for maybe a stocking stuffer, 1 or 2 things. We'll see. Alright, so I'm going to start with, I found a couple things, and this is all stuff I found in the past month. Like, I wish I could, like, be someone who can think ahead, far enough ahead of time to plan ahead, but I'm not. I need to, like, do one holiday at a time. So this is all stuff I found, like, in the last month, mostly at ARC thrift store, which is a local Colorado thrift store. I'm from Denver. I didn't really say that. And Goodwills, mostly. There might be some other stuff here or there, so I'll let you know. Cool. All right. So, for my sister, who is like a 26-year-old, she's cool. I found this really awesome Grateful Dead t-shirt. It's from their like 50th anniversary show. And I, like, if you follow me, you know I typically thrift vintage. And this is a more recent, obviously, it's from 2015. But she really, really likes the Grateful Dead, and she lived in like Oregon for years and saw, you know, whatever. I'm making myself look so dumb about music, but whatever their revival band is, lots of times. So I think she's really gonna enjoy this t-shirt. And I found this guy at Goodwill, and it was probably like $3. Yeah. So, and I also, for my sister, she's a Gemini, so I found this amazing, I love these mugs so much, and this one is actually vintage, but it's a Gemini vintage mug. I'm just gonna do it. Turn around. It's really cool. Yeah, I think vintage mugs in general are really cool. Just little add-ons to gifts. They come in so many varieties. Some are really, really dumb, like you can find, or like dumb fun, like Best Grandma or whatever. Or you can find really classic, cool, amazing mugs like these. And sometimes you get lucky and find the whole set. I'm going to tell you about the tree. That is mostly thrifted too. So, ooh. Cool. So I'll move along so I do have time. Next, my partner's mom really likes Harley Davidson stuff, and I found this Harley Davidson coffee to go mug. Another really simple gift, but like these cost way too much money when they're new, so it's like, why the fuck? Sorry, I curse a lot. Why wouldn't I buy it at the thrift store? She will appreciate it, no matter. So yeah. Next, I'll do, this I think is going to be for my sister-in-law. It's a vintage clutch, or like, I think it's going to be like a makeup bag, or it could be like a pencil bag, whatever you want it to be. But I just think these are really fabulous, and they're so classic and beautiful. And vintage items like this are just made so differently than they're made today, so they're just really nice. And if you feel weird about thrifting, you can find a lot of stuff like this at like antique malls and stuff like that, which I think are really fun to hit too. Yeah, so this is another gift I will be gifting, and I found this one at Goodwill as well. Yeah. Get a close up. It's glittery shimmer. Okay. Next, so I'm a nanny, and I'm like really bad at gifting. And I'm like, this year I was just like, I really want to give a gift that the kids will like, and they're 2, so you know, they have very limited interest at the moment. So anyways, so for one of them, I found this cool little Peppa Pig carrying box. I think you could use it as a lunchbox. It's kind of small, but she's obsessed with Peppa Pig, and she has these figurines, so I figured she could keep them in here. Super cute. And this is actually from 2001, so like you won't be able to buy this in this store. And then for my other kiddo, he like is super obsessed with all things motorized vehicles and stuff right now, so I found the coolest backpack that I want to keep for myself. I'm gonna gift it to him. It's like a NASA astronaut backpack. How freaking cool. I found this at, I think, ARC, and it was probably $4. I think this is something probably with a, like, I don't know what you guys think, but I would guess like at least, I don't know, $30 to $40 new. And kids like things for like 2 seconds. Like, why are you spending your money on all that? Anyways, so yeah, I'm super pumped to gift those to the kids, and I'm still kind of trying to, you know, add stuff. I think they're really into art and stuff, so I'll probably grab that stuff at the thrift store too. There's always tons of art supplies and stuff there. Yeah. So next, moving along, I found this amazing vintage like wall plate. It's like tin or whatever. I found this at Goodwill. It was $4. I'm gonna gift this to my mom. We have like this vintage kidney bean shaped pool in the backyard of her house. It's like from the 50s, super old. And they like grill out there in the summer, so I thought this was cute. Hopefully she likes it. If not, I won't be offended. I will sell it in the shop. Yeah, so I think that is all in terms of things that I have thrifted. I just wanted to like quick shout out some like other ways you can secondhand gift. You know, a lot of people have Instagram shops these days. A lot of people are reselling themselves, and I think it's really cool to support your friends. I've said that before. So I found this shirt for my partner that I bought from a vintage Instagram shop, and I'll put it in the comments in case you want to go check out what they have now. But this is a vintage t-shirt. And it's like a old Colorado like souvenir tee. I don't know. It's so cool. I'm excited to steal it. And then I found this for my brother from another friend who sells on Instagram. And this is a Chromeo shirt from their 2015 tour. And these always cost $1 billion at the concerts themselves. And he loves Chromeo, so I'm really excited to give that to him. And once again, that's secondhand. I bought it from someone else who found it. Like, if you don't have the time to go thrift yourself, there's people who do it for you, so that's kind of cool too. Yeah, and then I had one other, this amazing, cool vintage glass I'm going to gift to my mom that I got from another vintage selling friend. So, yeah. And then I will quick tell you about my tree behind me. I don't know if I can give you a close-up. All made with tinsel and push pins. Probably could have been more patient and done something less destructive to the wall, but you know, we'll get there, we'll fix it. So yeah, I think if you have no budget but you really want like a tree, that probably costs maybe like tops $10. I found all the tinsel at the thrift store. They always save their Christmas stuff for, you know, to put out seasonally. So usually they have a lot of it, especially if you hit it, you know, restocking times, off times, not sale days, whatever. It's still pretty cheap. Like, not on a sale day, those cost probably $2 a strand, and I think there's 2 strands. And then a bunch of the ornaments I found actually at the flea market last week. And there's like a bunch of vintage Disney ones and such. Yeah, and that's all from Secondhand or gifts and otherwise. But yeah, so that's my pile of gifts from the thrift. I hope this motivates you or inspires you to maybe consider it, give it a try. I don't know. I hope you enjoyed this. I will put my links. I think I put them in the descriptor, but I'll make sure of all that. And I will link to those shops that I got a few of my gifts from. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good holiday season. Thank you, Sammy, for letting me go live. And I hope to see you guys at Lexi Go Thrifting.